Yo, this is the most poop I've ever seen. Sounds a stick. Oh, that's pretty nice now. Oh, here we go. Here go the front. Yeah, it's a stick. Look all the way down there, make sure there's nothing. Looks like we good. It's touching me, but that's a wire. That is a stick, alright. Yeah, it's a stick. So just that down here on off. There's no light switch. Nope. It's actually not that bad in here. It's pretty roomy. That's a maintenance call. Still have yet to do service call with a crawl space yet. No, actually, never mind. Take that back. I think I did one with a crawl space. Oh my gosh, there's like a big, I don't know what that is. It's like a huge spider across. I don't know if you guys can pick that up. I don't know, it's pretty huge though. Oh man, that's a huge spider, bro. That kind of creeped me out now. Let's look around. I'm actually happy now that I'm on this side and not that side, checking it out. So I know I definitely would have left. I would have been like, forget your maintenance call, bro. Changed that last year. Yeah, that needs changing. That change was March 15, 2019. That definitely needs changing. Tell him that. Oh, man. Can't even grab it. I probably gotta turn the system off. That's a carbon one. Hey, man, take your property. Actually. Oh yeah, that's a carbon filter. Yeah, now I see. These things are pretty high tech. They probably last actually longer than a year. It still needs to probably change it when it gets a chance. Alright, bro, I ain't gonna believe this. That bug that I looked at earlier is not over there no more. Now I'm getting kind of creeped out that it's not over there. Even though it's across a good distance away, I'm still getting creeped out. I was just over here doing the maintenance, and then I realized it was gone. And that really freaked me out. But here's the filters if anybody wanted to see it. They're pretty nice and clean. Oh, it's not a fly or a spider, I don't know. Can't see. But yeah, not that bad. They like those usually last a really long time. I'm just worried about where that bug went. He climbed up, he climbed down. Yeah, I don't know where he was. Now I'm paranoid. There's the door right there, so I ain't worrying that much. But yeah, talk to you guys when I finish back up. So let's go ahead and head out. Oh, get the flashlight off. Oh man, my knees. Right, should be good. Oh, I'm gonna hit my back. Cool. Should be able to walk on out after this. Alright. Oh goodness, that's tough. Well, at least it's over. At the next crawl space. And y'all boys ain't gonna believe how far this thing is. Alright, so this is the entrance right there. It's all the way down. Yo, that's probably the farthest I have ever seen in my life. The doors are right here, and you have to go all the way down there. Like, yo, I haven't even been down there yet. I just feel like my knees are just gonna be like, stop. Oh man, that's crazy. Let's go ahead and try. At least there's room in there. I will say that. There's a lot of room in here. This humidifier, dehumidifier. Maintenance. Oh my god. Something's dead already. They got the place tarped up though. I gave them that. Oh my gosh, my knees are killing me already. Oh man, these are the ones you bring the knee pads out for sure. Oh man, I gotta take a break. Oh my gosh, bro. It's nothing but like concrete underneath this. Yeah, my knees are killing me. I'm not even halfway. Oh man. Maybe I got some just food on my butt. I duck underneath these pipes. Fence. Yo, do it get smaller the farther we go? Oh, it does get smaller. It does get smaller because of all the pipes. Holy crap. I'm going to probably get on my stomach and get over there. Or I can, I'm gonna have to get on my stomach. Alright, here we go. And we there. Alright, so I figured I'll give you guys a tour of how basically tight this crawl space was. How I basically had to sit like this. That's showing. I'm about to head on out. It's a good distance. I'm about to go. Basically showing you how I gotta crawl my stomach just to get out my hand of it. Oh man. Like I said, thankfully it's tart. If it wasn't tart, buddy, this would be tough. Trying to look around. I got my flashlight on the front so I can't really see what's coming in front of me. Shit, I got mad. Alright, so I got out all the pipes. Should be able to crawl now. That's the thing. Crawling slick hurts. Crawling slick can ease about halfway through. Alright. Should be able to do a little bunny crawl like this. And there's the door. Back out of the crawl space. It's raining. Oh good, godly. Man, it's pouring down like crazy. Gotta get in here. So this crawl space, it's pretty wild. It's all the way in the back. Hopefully there's a light switch. I want to say that's a light switch. I really want to say that's a light switch, but there's no light bulb. Light switch, no light bulb. And that's straight. The person said they just moved in and they rent. I'd be surprised. Wow, so far. Just remember, though, I probably can get on my knees. I my legs. Yeah, I can walk. Actually, let me know what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get another flashlight. Just give me some more light. Yeah, this light is definitely better. Start walking, knock off some stuff. Oh, it's slippery. Feet slippery. Man, that looks trash back there. Was that a tool? Yeah, somebody left some tools. No wonder they're better if I went the other way around. Yeah, it's probably better if I went the spider web. No spider web. No. Oh my god, it's a big spider web. This is a big ass one right here. I have nothing to knock it down with. Oh shit. Hopefully there's nothing on it. I really hope there's nothing on this spider web. Good. I'm seeing poop. Heck yeah, I see droppings. Which isn't a good sign at all. They don't look recent. They look really old, but still. That's not a good sign at all. Oh my gosh, spider web. Yeah, this is what we gotta freaking go through. Units right there. Then of course I get finished knocking down all these spider webs. Just looking around. Actually glad it's kind of roomy here because I can really see around my surroundings. I mean, I don't see nothing down here, but like I said, it's crazy about some droppings. Like, yo, that's a lot of poop. So I don't know if this is now, but I just try to hurry up. It's a maintenance, so I just try to hurry up and get out of here. It sucks because I'm about to probably come back. I hope I don't step or I don't put my hand in the poop. Let me look over on this side. Oh man, something just fell on me over the water. Man, I really hope this has been here before we install all this. I'm just go ahead and get started. Oh, big spider web, no. So that's probably the dirtiest filter I've seen in my life. Oh my gosh, that thing is crazy. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and change that. Man. Holy crap. First thing first, let's take this out. I was just waiting on me to turn around and just see a big ass mouse or rat. Just be like, oh, definitely not. Oh my god, these are look at the size of that. I'm sorry guys, but that's a huge turd. Oh, shit. And I hope they're not over there too. Oh, let's get out of here. And it's raining too, man. This is just not the best weather to be doing. Slip. Alright guys, I'm back. I just changed the filter in and it's ridiculous. So I have to sit here and do the maintenance, but look at all this poop. Yo, this is the most poop I've ever seen. Yo, this is crazy. I'm like, look at that, man. What? Yo, let me put my mask on. Oh my gosh. Bro's going insane down here. Bro, this poops everywhere, bro. Bro don't got no bathroom. Oh no, my light. Oh, it didn't fall in there. But bro, it's poop everywhere. It's just poop everywhere. I just wanted to show you guys that because it's crazy how much poop is down here. It don't stink. It don't stink, surprisingly, but it's just crazy how much poop is just all in here. But yeah, I just want to show you guys that before I head out. Alright, just finish it up. Found the light. Just like a little pulley. Get my crap out of here. Got my knee pad for the poop. Oh, it's back dark. Let me turn my light on. Make sure we got everything. Just back up. Let's get the crap out of here. Grab my stuff. Shit. Go. I'll shake my head. Take it. Stop raining. Alright. And that's done with that crawl space.